Would you believe this clean toilet seat is a lot more sanitary than something you touch all day, every single day? Your smartphone. Yes, that device you're holding right now is on average 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Welcome to today's discussion, one that might just make you rethink your habits. Now, did you know that your phone, the device you hold, swipe, and even sleep next to, could be one of the dirtiest things you come into contact with daily? In fact, studies reveal that your smartphone is on average 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. Surprised? You are not alone. We're about to look into the shocking truth behind smartphone hygiene, the hidden dangers of germs on your devices, and most importantly, how you can clean and protect yourself from these unseen dangers. Let's start with the obvious question: why are phones so dirty? Constant contact. Think about it. How often do you touch your phone? Studies estimate that the average person checks their phone over 100 times a day. Now, each time, your hands transfer oil, dirt, and bacteria to the surface. Where we take our phones to? Bathrooms? Check. Over 80% of people admit to using their phones while on the toilet. Kitchens? Of course. We touch our phones while cooking or snacking. Public transport, gyms, schools, the list goes on. Lack of cleaning. The surprising thing is that most of us never think to clean our phones. While we wash our hands after using the restroom or before eating, we pick up our unclean devices immediately after, defeating the purpose. All of these habits allow bacteria, viruses, and even fungi to thrive on your phone. How dirty are phones? Now let's break it down with some shocking statistics. Researchers found that smartphones can harbor 10 times the bacteria of a toilet seat. The most common types of bacteria found include Staphylococcus, which can cause skin infections, and E. coli, which is linked to stomach illnesses. A 2017 study found that over 92% of phones tested had detectable bacterial contamination. Some even carry pathogens that can make you seriously ill. So while the shiny clean toilet seats get a negative perception, your phone is silently gathering germs that go unnoticed. So what does this mean for your health? While not every germ is harmful, some can pose real risks. 1. Infections. If you have cuts, pimples, or open skin, bacteria like Staphylococcus can cause infections. 2. Respiratory issues. Viruses like influenza and COVID-19 can survive on surfaces, including your phone. But when you touch your phone, then your face, transmission of the virus can occur. 3. Gastrointestinal problems. Germs like E. coli, often transferred from unwashed hands, can cause stomach issues like diarrhea and food poisoning. And here is the reality: most of us are constantly touching our faces. So the journey from phone to body is quicker than you think. Let me paint a picture. You are at a coffee shop, scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or any other social media platform. You place your phone on the table next to your latte, the same table someone sneezed on earlier. Later, you pick up your phone and then you eat a sandwich or any other food. Without realizing it, you've just invited germs from the table and everyone before you onto your food and into your system. Or how about this? You are at the gym. You finish your workout, sweaty and tired, and then you check your phone for text messages or missed calls. The bacteria from those gym weights, they are now on your phone, which might be transferred to your food. These everyday scenarios happen more often than we realize. Alright, enough of the bad news. The good news is cleaning your phone is simple and can make a big difference. Here is how. 1. Disinfectant wipes. Use alcohol-based wipes with at least 70% isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe your phone's screen, sides, and back. 2. Microfiber cloth. For daily cleaning, a soft microfiber cloth can remove smudges and some dirt. 3. UV phone sanitizers. If you want to go high-tech, UV light sanitizers are a great way to zap bacteria in minutes or clean bacteria in minutes. 4. Wash your hands. Good hand hygiene is very important. Wash your hands frequently and avoid touching your face after handling your phone. And here's a bonus tip. Avoid bringing your phone into the bathroom altogether. It might be a hard habit to break, but trust me, it's worth it. Final tips. To summarize, here are some quick tips to keep your phone clean and germ-free. 1. Clean your phone at least once a day. 2. Use a phone case that is easy to clean or replace. 3. Wash your hands regularly. 4. Avoid placing your phone on dirty surfaces like tables in public places. And lastly, number 5. Keep it out of bathroom. Seriously. By following these tips, you will reduce your exposure to harmful bacteria and keep both your phone and yourself healthier. In conclusion, your phone is your lifeline to the world, but it's also a hotspot for germs. The truth is, a little awareness and a few daily habits can go a long way in keeping your devices and your health in check. So the next time you pick up your phone, take a moment to ask yourself, when was the last time I cleaned this phone? Thank you for listening. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and hygiene. And share it with your friends and family that might need a reminder too. Stay clean, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. God bless you. Bye for now. I love you.